Hi there, you're in the lab with your mate JJ. Today is unboxing day. Today I'm going to unbox some equipment that's arrived, and then I'm going to install it. And just between you and me, I really don't want to do this job. It's going to be so fiddly and annoying, and the things are heavy, and the cables are a rat's nest, and it's just going to be a chore. But I thought we could do it together. I'm just going to show you the box, and we'll pop the equipment out, and then I'm just going to time lapse the install. I've got two UPS batteries that have arrived. So this is the big box that's arrived. In here are two PowerShield Defender 1600s. So I'll pop you over to the computer and I'll show you what these are. Alright, here we are on the computer. How are we doing here? Pretty good. Now, if we go to the website and then we go to the equipment page, and then we search for PowerShield, then we find this. There's some information from the manufacturer, and there's some notes about purchase, and you can see just recently on January 15 I got two more of these from eBay. I had previously bought some back in 2022, so those are probably the ones that I'm replacing. Seems to be pretty much exactly 3 years later. Now when I say replacing, I am actually going to be refurbishing the batteries in these things, so I'll have some spare ones floating around that I can put fresh batteries in. But doing it this way means there's no downtime. I can just cycle them through, and I'm happy enough with that. So let's jump over to the powershield.com.au website. Now, I suppose I should say, I don't know what UPS devices are kicking around globally, but I've been buying these ones from an Australian manufacturer for like my whole life. 10, 20 years. Since I've been using UPS batteries, I've been using these ones. And they're made, I think, in Western Australia. Don't quote me, not sure. But they're a .com.au domain name, so they're an Australian company. And they make this line of UPS devices called the PowerShield Defender. And they've got different ratings. This, I believe, is their top of the line one. They've got this rack mount one as well. Maybe that's stronger, I'm not sure. Anyway, let me tell you some of the specs about this thing. The Defender 1600 uses automatic voltage regulation, AVR, to minimize the effects of fluctuations in input voltage, protecting your valuable equipment from power line disturbances. The stylish LCD display, user-replaceable batteries and Australian sockets makes the Defender the complete package at this level and is ideal for workstations and gaming. And there we've got the description. It's got some bullet points. Stylish and informative LCD. Oh, that's what I need. Stylish LCD. Ooh. Sorry. Surge protection, best in class. Excellent microprocessor control, guarantees high reliability. Australian outlets for UPS and surge protection. Boost and buck AVR for voltage stabilization. User replaceable batteries. Silent operation, no fans included. Auto restart while AC is recovering. Off mode charging. Cold start function. USB communication with sophisticated NetGuard software, free download software, 2-year warranty. There you go. Additional information, so it weighs 11.5 kilos. Got some size about this. 960 watts, 1600 VA. Outlets, 6. Topology, line interactive simulated sine wave, single phase, Tower form factor. It's not expandable. Single diverter phase. Not sure what that is. Battery type are 12 volt 9 amp hours. Number of batteries 2. Power factor 0.6. Okay. Product documents. Okay, they've got a brochure and a user manual. Alright. Let's I didn't want to do that. Can we save link as? We can. Alright, so okay, this is the overview of the whole range. Alright. So what have we got? Okay, so there you go. They have a 2000 VA. There you go. I didn't know. So I've got a bunch of. I've got one of the 650s. I got maybe 4 or 5 or 6 of the 1200s. I think I've got 4 of the 1600s. 2 of them have arrived today. They're brand spanking. Oh, look, and they've got a rack mount option as well. Designed to provide essential power protection for valued equipment used in a wide range of application, the Defender UPS range incorporates PowerShield's most popular UPS features while offering the best surge protection in its class. Offering protection from 650 VA up to 2000 VA. With the recently added Defender 2000, this series provides line interactive simulated sine wave output on battery backup power. Automatic voltage regulation, AVR, minimizes the effects of fluctuation in input voltage, protecting against power line disturbances. A stylish LCD display, user replaceable, hot swappable batteries, and Australian sockets makes the Defender a reliable favorite with IT professionals. I don't know about that hot swappable batteries. I'm not buying it. Really? Anyway, maybe. So there's some more information there. We won't go through all of those details, but there you go. And this is the Defender brochure. There you go. So just telling you about their line of Defender ones. Fair enough. I haven't seen the 2000 VA one yet. I've only seen the other 3, and I've got one of each of them. And this is the user manual. I'll be interested to know actually more about the software. Back in the olden days, I did get the software all set up so that the USB cable ran into the computer and it would shut down the computer when it was running out of juice. And now I don't bother with that. I just don't take the time to set it all up. Alright. Anyway, I think that's everything. Oh, they've got a video tutorial, so you can check that out if you're interested. We won't watch that now. And oh, look, they've got NetGuard software, so maybe we could check that out as well. I don't know if it'll run on Linux. Anyway, that's enough of the information on the computer. So I'll throw you back over to the other camera and we'll chat. Alright, so here we are, and we've got this box. It's got 2 UPS batteries in it, and we're going to take them out of here, and I've got to install one here, can you see there? And I've got to install the other one here behind this laptop just down there, which is going to be a really huge hassle, and it's going to take me ages. So but that's what we're going to be doing together now, so let's do it. Nah, just thought I'd take a break. I don't know how expensive to go here. I think I'm gonna pull all the cables out. I'm gonna redo the whole thing. It's gonna be a chore. And before I get stuck right into it, I thought I'd have a snack. I've got a muesli bar here and a coffee. So I'm just gonna have something to eat, and then keep on keeping on. I've turned most of the computers off. Obviously, this computer's still on so that I can record the video. Man, it's gonna take ages. Anyway, I'm gonna finish my stuff. I'll put it back on time lapse. I just realized it's not much of an unboxing if we don't actually do the unboxing, is it? So here is me actually opening the box. I'm not expecting it to be particularly exciting. There'll be a power cable which is attached, it's not detachable. This is a USB Type B to Type A adapter for plugging it in to a computer. This is the manual, user manual. It's not very big, it's how many pages? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8-page manual. I've used these before and they are pretty much just plug and play. See if we can get this out. How are we going to do this? Oh, that could have gone better. Alright, well, what are we going to do now? Try it this way. Alright. So that's it out of the box. Got a little bit of foam. I like keeping the foam. You never know when it'll come in handy. I'm gonna turf this stuff though. It's busted anyway. So that, my friends, pretty much concludes the unboxing. It's the manual, USB cable, and the device itself. As you can see, the power cable is attached, and it comes with a mains power adapter for Australian electrical circuits. So mains power in Australia looks like this. So yes, as I said, that concludes the unboxing. There's no more to see, so we'll be taking this here and putting it in there. That's the next move. All right, so we got the old one out. This is the new one just about to go in. So I'm going to go make coffee and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to get this in. All right, I'm back and I got my coffee, which I'm just going to enjoy for a little while. I would say we're about 1/4 of the way through. We've got the thing out. So the next step is to get the thing in, and then that side's done. Then we've got to get the other one out and get the new one in. Anyway, let's go back into time lapse. All right, so I thought I'd check in. New UPS seems to be working. New UPS seems to be working. So I've installed the 2 new ones. Pretty happy about that. I've got a problem though with this one down here. There's a UPS down here and he's not turning on. So I think he died like the others. Not surprising, they all conked out about the same time because it's the batteries that wear out. And they probably wear out at about the same rate. Pardon me. So I'm gonna take this particular UPS device out and replace it with a power board, just temporarily, so I can get the battery replaced. And then once that's done, I'll put it back in. So yeah, I might as well just leave you on while I put the room back in order, because obviously there's a lot of mess here still. So just one more session and let's get this all finished up. Wow. Well, we're mostly back in order. One thing that's outstanding, of course, is the UPS down here. I need to put a new battery in. At the moment, that stuff's just running off wall power, so no battery. Not a huge deal because it only powers this computer, which is off, and these are the peripherals, which can be turned off pretty safely. So I thought just to round out this video, I might duck over to the bench with you and we'll have a flip through the manual for the PowerShield Defender and just have a look at that. It's not very big, 8 pages, so we'll have a read of that and then I'll wrap up this video. Alright, here we are back on the bench. Got all my UPS batteries pretty much sorted. I've just got the one that needs new batteries to do, but the 2 brand spankers, they've gone in. And I've turned everything on and everything seems to be hunky-dory. It's all powered and working. I haven't thrown the power off at the wall. I suppose I could do that. Should we do that? Oh no, I've still got the ones with the no UPS, so I won't do that now. I wanted to go through the manual with you. Why not, huh? Can you see that? So this is the PowerShield user manual for the Defender Tower series. PSD 650, 1200, 1600 and 2000. Introduction. Thank you for your purchasing the Defender 1600 in this case. The UPS is designed to provide safe and reliable power protection to your valuable electronic equipment. Before you start using the product, please read this user manual. It contains instructions relating to safety, installation, operation, maintenance and warranty. Please keep this manual in a safe place for future use. Package contents included in the box: PowerShield Defender unit, PowerShield Defender user manual, USB communication cable. Note: before installation, please inspect the unit and make sure that no damage has occurred during transit. If any damage is found, please notify your dealer. Alright, product overview. Let's put that away. What do we want there? There we go. The PowerShield Defender will protect your computer, telephone system and other electronic devices from various power disturbances, including blackout and brownout. This product features a user-friendly LCD that displays the status of the product. Front view. 1. User-friendly LCD display. See Understanding Display section for details. 2. On-off switch. Turn on and off unit with and without utility. Utility means wall power. Okay, and then we're looking at the back. 3. Resettable input circuit breaker. Okay, breaker will trip when there is overload, short circuits at output of the unit. Circuit breaker is rated at 10 amps and for 650 it's rated at 5 amps. Okay. 4. USB interface port. Connect USB cable and computer. Install NetGuard UPS monitoring software for advanced power monitoring. Okay. 5. Full-time surge protection outlets. Okay, so on this side is the surge protection, no UPS. These outlets do not provide battery backup when mains has failed. The outlets provide continuous protection for surges and spikes. Connected peripherals that do not need battery backup. Okay, and then 6. UPS and surge protection outlets. These outlets provide battery backup power when the mains power fails and unit is turned on. Connect peripherals that need battery backup protection. Do not connect laser printers and scanners. Okay, good to know. Modem. Okay, so modem is 7. I'm not seeing it. Oh, there it is. It's on the PS 650. Interesting. Modem / phone surge protection. Connect a single modem / phone line, not NBN, into surge protected in outlet on the back panel of the UPS. Connect from outlet to the computer with phone line cable. Okay, I do have one of these 650s, but we don't use a modem anymore. Who has modems? Twisted pair phone lines are obsolete around here anyway. Okay, installation and startup. Install the unit in a controlled environment area that is free from dust and has adequate airflow. Okay. Plug the AC input cord into the wall outlet and the unit will automatically start. Never connect a laser printer or a scanner to the UPS outlets. This may cause damage to the unit. The following type of equipment may cause some problems because the battery output mode of this unit is not sinusoidal. Inverter, transformer, AC line filters, and PFC power supplies. Sorry, I didn't really understand that. The following type of equipment may cause some problems because the battery output mode of this unit is not sinusoidal. An inverter, a transformer, AC line filters, and PFC power supplies. Okay, I don't think I'm using any of that equipment. I do have a scanner attached to my USB on my Mac, but that's pretty low power. I can't imagine how it would be a problem. Okay, software installation. Defender has HID, inbuilt native battery management compatible with Windows, Mac OS X, and other OSs that support HID. Okay, is that human interface device? I'm not sure. I don't know. If you wish to use NetGuard monitoring software, please follow the instructions below. 1. Please download the latest NetGuard monitoring software from powershield.com.au/indexphp/downloads. When the installation is complete, NetGuard agent icon will appear on the taskbar. Once the installation is completed, click the plug icon found on the taskbar to start the program. Okay. Well, we don't have, I don't think, any computers that'll run it. I have got some generic software that I did use, but I'm kind of not interested in it. The only thing I want to do is turn the alarms off so it doesn't beep at me when it's offline and make a racket and disturb everyone in the house, but it's not a huge priority for me. Understanding the LCD display. 1. Input voltage. 2. Online mode icon. 3. Output voltage. 4. Load level indicator. 5. On battery mode icon. 6. Battery level indicator. Okay, and then we've got status. Online operation. Mains power is stable and the unit is operating correctly, no beep. AVR operation. The unit is boosting or bucking input voltage. Online modem icon flashes every 1 second, no beep. On battery operation. There is power disturbances or a blackout. The unit is supplying power from battery. 2 beeps every 30 seconds. Battery remain time. The normal display of battery and battery remaining time will alternate once per 5 seconds. Okay, low battery status. Battery capacity becomes low. On battery mode icon flashes. Rapid beep at 1 second intervals. The unit is about to shut down. Overload status. Total output power has exceeded the maximum power rating of the unit. Load level indicator flashes, constant beeping. Fault mode, 0. Please call for assistance when this indicator appears. Standby mode. On/off button is off. The unit is connected to mains. Battery is charging. No beep. Alright. Battery replacement. Defender 1600 have all of the Defender series have a user replaceable battery feature. Please read warning on the back page about battery safety and follow the steps carefully shown below. Please use only PowerShield approved battery pack to maximize the performance of the unit. 1. Shut down all connected equipment and turn the UPS off by pressing the off button. Disconnect input cord from mains and remove all output cords from the UPS. Flip the UPS upside down. For the Defender series, locate the Phillips head screw on the bottom of the front panel. Remove the screw using a Phillips screwdriver. Remove the front panel by lifting the bottom edge of the front panel and pull forward. Please be careful not to apply excessive force to the panel as it may cause damage to the LCD cable attached to it. For the Defender 650, locate the 4 Phillips head screws on the bottom of the unit and remove the screws using a Phillips screwdriver. Separate the top half from the bottom half of the unit. 4. Remove the metal plate holding the battery pack in the enclosure by sliding it upwards and then pull out. Pull on the white battery tag of the battery pack and remove the battery from the unit. Remove red, positive, and black, negative battery wires from the battery pack. 7. Prepare new battery pack. Connect black, negative wire to the new battery black terminal and connect red, positive battery wire to the red battery terminal. Note, you may see a small spark when you connect the red wire to the battery. This is normal as the unit charges some components. Please check polarity of battery terminals. 8. Insert the battery back into the unit and put the metal plate back into the front of the enclosure. Replace the front panel. For the Defender series 1200, 1600, 2000, fasten the Phillips screw. 9. Please recharge the unit for 6 hours before you turn the unit on. Okay, recharge for 6 hours before you turn it on. I didn't know that. Alright. Storage and maintenance. Defenders contain no user serviceable parts other than the battery pack. If the battery service life, which is 3 to 5 years at 25 degrees ambient temperature, has been exceeded, the batteries must be replaced. Oh, there we go. So you can expect 3 to 5 years from the batteries. Be sure to deliver the spent battery to a recycling facility or ship it to your dealer in the replacement battery packaging material. Please contact your dealer or visit the PowerShield website. Storage. Before storing, charge the UPS 6 hours. Okay, before storing you charge it. Okay. Store the UPS covered and upright in a cool, dry location. During storage, recharge the battery in accordance with the following table. Every 3 months or every 2 months at higher temperatures. Okay, interesting. I'm planning to store mine with dead batteries, and then when I need to service them again, I'll put new batteries in before I do. I do have some spares. Anyway, troubleshooting. Please follow the following troubleshooting section below. If the problem cannot be resolved, please check PowerShield FAQ webpage or call our customer support for further assistance. Problem: LCD display not lit. Possible causes: low battery. Recharge the unit for at least 6 hours and try to start it again. Battery may be faulty. Replace the battery with PowerShield battery kit. Input circuit breaker tripped. Check if the circuit breaker on repair panel has tripped. Wait 5 minutes, reset, and check again. Continuous beeping while mains input power is normal. The unit may be overloaded. Remove some equipment that is connected to the UPS outlets and check load level indicator on LCD display. Continuous beeping while UPS is operating. The battery is low or faulty. Replace the battery with PowerShield battery kit. Okay. Backup time is short or none when power fails. Equipment may be connected to surge protection outlets. The surge protection does not have a battery backup Function. Connect your equipment to UPS outlet if it is required for battery backup. The unit may be overloaded. Remove some equipment that is connected to UPS outlets and check load level indicator on LCD display. Low battery. Recharge the unit for at least 6 hours and try to start it again. Battery may be faulty. Replace the battery with PowerShield battery kit. The unit stays on battery when the utility is normal. Input circuit breaker tripped. Check if the circuit breaker on the rear panel is tripped, wait 5 minutes, reset, and check again. Input power cord may be loose. Reconnect the power cord to a wall outlet properly. Okay, and then we've got some specifications. So it's 1600 VA, 960 watts. Input voltage nominal, 240 volts. Input range from 117 to 290 volts AC. Frequency range, anything from 50 to 60 Hertz. Output, 240 volts. Output voltage regulation, 240 plus or minus 10%. Frequency, AC mode tracks utility. Okay. Frequency range, battery mode, 50 Hertz or 60 Hertz plus or minus 1 Hertz. Transfer time, typical 2 to 6 milliseconds, 10 milliseconds max. Waveform, battery mode, simulated sine wave. Okay. UPS and surge protection. So it's got 3 of those. And surge protection's got 3 of those. Okay. Battery type and number. So it uses two 12-volt 9 amp hour batteries. Backup time, 45 minutes. Okay, it can keep things going for 45 minutes for a 1 PC load. Okay. Typical recharge time, 4 to 6 hours to recover to 90% capacity. Full protection, overload, discharge and overcharge protection. Surge protection, 936 joules per 19,500 amps. Safety. Okay, it's got some other things. Temperature and humidity, 0 to 40 degrees Celsius operating. Okay, noise level, doesn't make much noise. Dimensions, weight, how much? 11.5 kilos it weighs. Warranty and service. Standard warranty is 2 years from the date of purchase. Standard PowerShield procedure is to replace original unit with a factory refurbished unit. PowerShield will ship the replacement unit once the defective unit has been received by the service department, or cross-ship upon the receipt of a valid credit card number. The customer pays for shipping the defective unit to PowerShield. PowerShield pays ground freight transportation costs to ship the replacement to the customer within Australian capital cities metro areas only. Okay, and there's a warranty service process. Hopefully we never need to look at the details of that. And there's a safety and caution section on the back. Please read carefully the following safety instructions before using the Defender. Attention, electrical safety. To prevent the risk of fire and electric shock, install the product in a controlled temperature and humidity indoor area where it is free from conductive contaminants. To reduce the risk of overheating, please ensure the cooling vent holes are unobstructed. This product is not approved for medical equipment or life support systems. Hazardous voltages present even when the unit is disconnected from the mains. Hazardous voltages may still be present through the supply from the battery. Battery connection should be disconnected when servicing the product. There are no serviceable parts inside the unit. Please do not attempt to open enclosure for modification or services other than replacing the battery. Any modification whatsoever to this unit will void product warranty. Attention, battery safety. When replacing the batteries, always use the same quantity and type of batteries. Do not dispose of batteries in a fire as they may explode. Do not open or mutilate the battery as released electrolyte may be harmful to the skin and eyes. A battery can present a risk of electric shock and high short circuit current. Battery replacement should be only undertaken by competent personnel. The following precautions should be observed before replacing batteries. 1. Remove watches, rings and other metal objects. 2. Use proper tools with insulated handles. 3. Keep tools or metal objects away from the batteries. 4. Make sure that the UPS is turned off. And 5. Disconnect main supply prior to connecting or disconnecting battery terminals. Warning, this is a category C2 UPS product. This product may cause radio interference. Now, I suppose we might as well, just for the sake of completeness, read about the warranty service process. 1. Review the problems discussed in the troubleshoot section of this manual to eliminate common problems. 2. Verify that no input or output circuit breaker is tripped. A tripped circuit breaker is the most common problem. 3. If the problem still persists, please call our phone numbers for technical support, or fill in the form on the PowerShield webpage for online technical support. Following details are needed for warranty claims: model number, serial number, date of purchase. Be prepared to troubleshoot the problem over the phone with PowerShield technical support. If technical support found the product is defective, and the technical support will issue a return material authorization number, RMA. 6. If the unit is under warranty, the repair is free, otherwise the repair charge will be applicable. 7. Pack the unit in its original packaging. Pack properly to avoid damage during transit. Damage sustained in transit is not covered under warranty. 8. Mark the RMA number on the outside of the package. 9. Return the defective unit by insured prepaid carrier to the address given to you by technical support. Please register your warranty by visiting powershield.com.au. Alright, so that's the whole thing. I'll file that. We shouldn't need it again. Alright, well, I'll throw you over to the farewell cam and we'll wrap up. And that's a wrap. What a job, hey? Wow. Anyway, it's done. So that's great. I really didn't want to have to do that job. It was a bit of a chore, but it's done. So we've got our 2 new UPS devices installed here and here. We've got one more that needs the battery replaced, and then I'll be able to put that in there. But overall, that's mission accomplished, which is really good. So I'm going to get on with some other videos now, and they'll be coming out soon. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks very much for watching, and please remember to hit like and subscribe.